I chase a bobcat with no tail, but he won't hiss and he won't wail. He's become my friend, you see, 'cause I treat him gently. Well, there used to be a time when he'd yowl and he would whine. Now he's given up all that for a good pat on the back. Meerkat and zebra agreed that they'd like to look and see. So they climbed up on Giraffe just to see where he was at. Well, their eyes were open wide as they gazed from side to side. They heard young ones gleefully cry to have a playmate by their side. Lion, elephant, and a quail noticed Bobcat had no tail, so they wove one with grass reeds. They thought it might help with his needs. Bobcat smiled and tried it on. It didn't stay on very long, but he knew his friends were kind for thinking of him at this time. With lots of mirth and without fail, they chased Bobcat with no